Hey everyone, welcome you all to Sneakers Galaxy once again. Today I'm super excited to take you along with me on the latest sneaker pickup. So we are en route to pick up one of my favorite sneaker, Air Jordan 1 washed pink. In this vlog, I want to show you our used sneaker pass to pick up the exclusive sneaker from a Nike store near me. Sneaker Pass is a feature on the Nike Sneakers app that allows you to reserve a limited edition sneaker at a specific Nike store for pickup. This means that you can bypass the long lines and the stress of trying to purchase a highly sought after sneaker online or in store. Also, there is a sense of satisfaction that your favorite shoe is reserved. When it's time to pick up your sneakers, head over to Nike store during your designated pickup window with your confirmation email and a valid ID. The window to request a reservation will be open for 15 minutes based on time zones. You will then be prompted to select your preferred Nike store and your shoe size. If you are lucky enough to secure a reservation, you will receive a confirmation email and a pickup window for your reservation. Today is a beautiful weather in California and our pickup store is located in Santana Row. Now that's where we are heading. Once you are there, head to the Designer Sneaker Pass pickup area, present your confirmation email and ID to the store associate. Then they will hand you over the brand new Air Jordan 1 wash pink sneakers. A little bit about the Air Jordan 1 wash pink. It is a beautiful iteration of the iconic Air Jordan 1 Salute. This sneaker features a premium suede upper in soft washed pink colorway, accented by hits of white and muslin sail color. This suede is definitely a little different from seafoam green in Air Jordan 1 women's. One of the standard features of this sneaker is its vintage inspired aesthetic, which gives it a timeless look and feel. The wash pink hue is perfect for spring and summer seasons, and the classic Air Jordan 1 Salute ensures that these sneakers will never go out of style. In terms of performance, the Air Jordan 1 is known for its comfortable fit and excellent support, making it a great choice for both casual wear and athletic activities. Overall, its unique colorway, vintage-inspired design, and exceptional performance makes it a standout sneaker in anyone's collection. So that brings us to the end of this episode. Do let us know if you liked the video and subscribe to our channel for more sneaker updates.